Hi! Do you want to learn how to count in Spanish? Come on, I'll show you. Uno is one. Uno. Uno. Yeah, like the card game. Uno is one. Do you know how to say two? Come on. Repeat after me. Two is dos. 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 Yeah, that's right. What about three? Can you say tres? Tres is three in Spanish. What about four? Four is cuatro. Can you say that? Cuatro. Good job. How about five? Let's say five in Spanish. Ready? Cinco. Cinco. And how about six? Six is seis. Seis. And seven is siete. Yeah, siete. What about eight? Can you say eight? It is ocho. Can you repeat after me? Ocho. Good job. What about number nine? Nine is nueve. Yeah. Can you say nueve? Good job. And 10 is diez. Yeah, good job. Diez. Can you say diez? Good. Okay, now let's do it fast. Ready? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. Yeah!